Hello everyone, this printer is Canon PIXMA G3410. I want to show you how to connect this printer to a Wi-Fi network. Switch the printer on, then wait. We'll show you one on the screen. You need to press this button with mobile phone. Press this button for 3 seconds. Press and hold it. 1, 2, 3. Then release the button. It will show you Wi-Fi icon and a line. Wait for 2 lines to show on the screen. So we've got 2 lines. What that means, the printer is in a wireless mode. Depending on device you want to use, we want to connect it with mobile phone. Go to Play Store on your mobile device and install Canon Print app. Open the app, then select search for the printer. We'll show you, please wait momentarily. So it's going to search for available printer. Is your printer listed below? Then select no. When the printer is dictated on the next screen, tap the button to connect. Select next. So the printer is found Canon IJ82800 G3010 series. Select connect. It's connecting, connected, and processing. The printer will be connected to the following wireless router SSID. Then you select yes. We show you saving, communicating with the printer. Communicating with the printer, this may take more than 150 seconds. So the printer is connected. See the recession. And this is the printer, G3010 series online. So this is how to connect the printer and mobile device to a network. And from this, you can print document, you can scan document, you can copy. Now I want us to print document to confirm. Select document prints. Then select documents. Then select the document you want to print out. It's processing. This is 2-page document. Then select next. We want to print all. Select OK. Then go to change settings. Select number of copies. Select the paper. Same as original, media type, plain paper, and also want to print it in color. Then go back, then select print. This is the document we printed out, first page. This is the document we printed, second page, and it will show you printing is completed. Then you select OK. If you want to print two-sided document, then you select next. Select to print first page or current page, or type the page 1 to 1 pages, then type page 1 to 1, then select OK, then select print. So it's going to print page 1, then we reload the paper and print out the second page. We show you printing is completed. Then take the paper with the printable area, put it on the back. Then select OK. Then select next. Then select page 2, pages, print page 2 of 2. 2 of 2. Then select OK. Then select print. This is the document we printed out, double-sided, manually, and it will show you on the phone printing is completed. So this is how to connect this printer to a wireless network with mobile phone, print document to confirm. After you connected this printer to a wireless network with mobile phone, if you want to add it to your computer, what you need to do is you need to go to Windows Start, go to the settings on your laptop, then select printers and scanners, add a device. Going to search for available printer G3410 series, multifunction printer, inkjet printer and scanner. Select add. It will show you connecting. It will show you installing, and the printer is ready. We're going to print a test page. If you select on the printer icon, if it's not opening up, then close this page and go back again to the laptop settings. Go to printers and scanners. Then it will show you the printer G3010 series. Select on it. Printer status, idle, Canon G3010 series, and also scanner setting. Will show you open print queue, print test page. Select print test page. It's printing a document. Will show you Windows printer test page. You have correctly installed your Canon G3010 series on laptop. Color support, yes. Port name, WSD. So this is how to connect the printer and also add it to your computer. If you want to scan document, select scanner settings, then open scanner. The printer is available. Then put the document you want to scan on the glass scanner. This is the document I want us to scan. So stick it with the page you want to scan face down, and also make sure the paper starts from the top. You will see arrow. Close the cover. Then select source. You can leave it auto-configured, or you select flatbed. File type, scroll down to select PDF. File type, scroll down to select PDF. Show more. Resolution, scroll down. Maximum is 600. You can select 300 dpi. You want to save the file to document folder. Select folder, document. Then you select scan. The document is scanning. Then select view to view the file. This is the document we scanned. To print it out, select Ctrl P. Wait for the printer to be ready. We show you loading preview. Then scroll down from the list and select correct printer. Show more. Then select Canon G3410 series. Select on it. You want to print all. It's one-page documents. Select more settings. A4 fit to printable area. Print on one side. Then select print. This is the document we scanned and printed it out, single page. If you want to add this to Canon Print app on your laptop, what you need to do is you need to close this, then go to Start, go to Microsoft Store, then install Canon Print app. Open Canon Print app. Install Canon Print app on your PC. Open the app. Then scroll to the side and it will show you the printer. Once you scroll to the right or left, it will show you Canon G3010 series online. This is Canon Print app. You can print document, you can scan document. To print document, then select document print. Then select documents. Then type the document you want to print out. Select on the document, then select open. Then select close this. This is two-page document. Then you scroll down and select the paper orientation. Duplex printing, select duplex printing, long edge, borderless is off. You want to print it in color, then select print. So this is how to print document with this printer. Connect the printer to Wi-Fi network from mobile phone, then add it to computer. And also Canon print document, and also scan. From Canon Print app, you can also scan document by selecting scan. So select image will prompt you to reload the paper. Reload the paper on the tray. Then select start printing to print the second page. This is the document we printed double-sided. So this is how to connect the printer via mobile phone, then add it to your computer, and also print documents, scan document via Canon Print app, and also using Windows Scanner. Please do me a favor, like, share, and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you.